In Vista, a dozen mobile homes at a senior living community had to be evacuated today after a sinkhole opened up in a street right above the property. CBS 8's Kelly Hessedal spoke to a woman whose home actually shifted off of its foundation.
Well, the woman who lives inside this mobile home says she woke up this morning and immediately knew something was wrong.
I noticed that my stairway had moved. There's no reason my stairway should have been moved. I went down my stairs. My concrete driveway has buckled up. It has trapped my car.
Denise Dougi frustrated to discover this morning her home at the Green Valley Mobile Home Park had shifted. She can't open her front door. She called 911.
There's a retention wall at the back of my mobile home. You can see that the earth is coming through the bricks. You can see there's some evidence around my mobile home siding where it has bowed out. You can see that my mobile home has been pushed and therefore has caused damage.
According to the Vista Fire Department, Dougi's home moved because the hillside behind it began to slide. The cause of that, rushing water, though it's unclear exactly where it came from. The street behind and above her home, Skyhaven Lane, also buckled. That street is located in the city of Oceanside. A spokesperson for the city of Oceanside says the cause may be problems with the Vista irrigation water line.
I did notice in the middle of the night having this sense of rushing water, and then yesterday I had no hot water in my water heater.
Some neighbors fear the situation will get worse.
Nervous about what's going to happen when it rains next week and how long will I be out of my house. I don't know.
Meanwhile, Dougi, upset. She says she called out from work for the next couple of weeks.
My car is trapped in the driveway. The concrete driveway has tipped up like this, so my car is not able to pass that concrete.
The Red Cross is helping people find temporary shelter. The fire department estimates the people who were evacuated may be able to return home in a week. In Vista, Kelly Hessedal, CBS 8.